Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating surface oils. Wash your hands with soap, then dry thoroughly so residues don't transfer. Once done, set the iPad face up on a soft, lint-free cloth to avoid grit. Make sure to choose and apply a matte or oliphobic screen protector now. This reduces fingerprint visibility and makes cleaning easier. You'll see less smudging immediately, and the protector preserves touch sensitivity. While it's settling, avoid touching the active display. Instead, hold the device by its edges to keep the screen pristine. Now refine your handling and cleaning technique. You should carry a clean microfiber cloth and use light, circular motions, firm rubbing only when necessary. For greasy marks, slightly dampen the cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Never spray liquids on the screen. Make sure to buff dry immediately so moisture doesn't seep into seams. Also, add a thin case or a textured back grip so you instinctively hold the iPad by its sides. This reduces screen contact and the need for frequent cleaning. Finish by establishing a simple routine. Do a quick microfiber wipe each day and a deeper clean weekly using a 70% isopropyl wipe applied to clothes. Make sure to inspect the screen protector periodically and replace it when oils or scratches no longer come off easily. If you experience touch responsiveness problems, try removing the protector and testing the bare glass. Residue under a protector often causes issues. If problems persist, check for case pressure or debris in ports before seeking repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.